Now I am using this speaker come FM radio in Bluetooth mode to test out whether I can use a volume control for this homebrew, or rather my own method of volume control. Currently there is no volume control for this. New dipole antenna for FM radio reception, that is VHF FM radio reception at antenna for 100 megahertz. That will be almost midway between the. That was a short test of one of my videos through the Bluetooth connection, so that I can know the level of the audio before fixing the volume control. This is the speaker over here, and these are the two speaker wires coming to the speaker. As the circuit was surface mount, I could not find a way of connecting a volume control to this chip. So I am trying to use a not so ideal way of connecting a volume control to this speaker directly. It will be of course wastage of energy, and I don't know whether it will cause problem with this speaker also, ampli speaker also, but for the curiosity I am going to try it out. But this will be around 8 ohms or so speaker, so you need a very low value potentiometer, which I do not have. So I am trying to improvise on that. I am cutting one of the speaker wires and trying to connect the improvised potentiometer there. Here you can see I am cutting it. Now I have two cut edges of the speaker wire. I hope I'll be able to connect an improvised potentiometer here. This is my improvised potentiometer using a split piece of a usual pencil. The graphite inside that is acting as a resistor, and you can see that a segment of the resistor between these two crocodile clips has a resistance of 11.17 ohms. Now I'll see whether I can connect it between the two cut ends of the speaker wire, that is between these two, and see the performance. Before that I'll check the volume in this position of the speaker, because that is a position in which the speaker is not facing you. And I think this one is for an SD card or something like that, for a memory card I presume. And this also has come away. You can see that this has come loose when I opened the box. Now that was me testing the audio of the speaker for a short period. Now we will see what happens when we connect the improvised volume control. I have now connected through the resistor. This is the current level. Let us see what happens if I change the port for charging. The other USB port I have disconnected, and I am connecting at the other end. Here's a pen drive or something like that to play music. I never used it. The whole circuit looks like a surface mount technology, SMD, so that it will not be easy for me to manipulate. I am familiar with through the whole technology, but this looks like surface mount. I'll see the other reverse side also in this side. You can see that all the components are just on the board, and are in the components. These are integrated circuits over there. There is volume has increased when I have shorted it. Crystal. Yes, I can see it clearly now. It is a. This is the volume when only a short portion is connected. You can see 26 megahertz crystal. There is definitely difference. You can see it very clearly now. This loudspeaker, and you can see another one here inside, deep inside, that is the tweeter. Definitely the range is not very high, so probably the resistance within this pencil is not enough to control too much. Now I'll check what happens when I receive an FM station. You can have this. This is the dipole antenna, simple dipole antenna, which I had shown some days back, which I had made with a very short length of wire, about 25 centimeter from the speaker. This is about 25 centimeter, and the limbs on either side, you can see they extend about 75 centimeters to either side. I am not showing the full extent here because this is not a demo of the antenna, but a demo of the ampli speaker being controlled. So what you have seen that when the potentiometer is connected at a short length, the volume is increasing, and when it is connected at full length, volume is decreasing, and the potentiometer is working. Simple pencil potentiometer, I would call this as a pencil potentiometer. And you can see that the FM radio, the volume increased remarkably when I had shorted the potentiometer. So it's a very simple experiment of demonstrating the use of a pencil as a potentiometer to control the volume of an FM radio.